Hi, this is Mr. Mac. I have in front of you a problem from page 25, number 1 in our textbook. This problem deals with significant figures. Typically, I'll work these problems for you, but I just thought that this would be nice to have it all laid out for you, and I'll explain each little bit of it. So when you're trying to do your homework, you'll have a better understanding. Okay, the first thing that I did is I went ahead and just wrote off to the side what my units are going to be in the end. This is a smart thing to do, because oftentimes we forget about the units. And that's really missing points for a very basic thing. So I look at this and I see meters times meters equals meters squared. The next thing that I do is I complete the expression by taking 12 and 65/100ths and multiplying it by 42 and 1/10. My initial answer is 532 and 565 thousandths. That's a problem because that number now looks more exact than any of the numbers that I started with. Therefore, I must round. When rounding using significant figures, all you have to do is look up at the two numbers. Let's look at the first number. 12 and 65/100ths has four significant figures: the 1, the 2, the 6, and the 5. 42 and 1/10 has three significant figures: 4, 2, and 1. Now these two are pretty easy because they don't have any zeros, and zeros are what make significant figures sometimes confusing. In my answer, I must round using the least number of significant figures in my expression above. Therefore, I round to three significant figures because my least amount of significant figures is 3 in 42 and 1/10. When I round, I go to my third digit from the left, and I determine what it should be rounded to. This 2 is going to be rounded up because the 5 after it is 5 or larger. That's how I get my final answer of 533 meters squared. You can see my explanation below, where I state I solved the following expression by multiplying and then rounding. 42 and 1/10 has three significant figures, and 12 and 65/100ths has four significant figures. Therefore, I round so that my answer has three significant figures. I hope this helped. Let me know if you need any more help in class on Tuesday.